Yo, what up, Crypto Nation? We're back. We're talking crypto markets. We tell you the truth, whether we're bullish or bearish. We just tell it how it is. We're not selling any products. Let's check the markets right now. It is Thursday, October 1st. And like I said, the beginning of the month, the end of the months can get volatile because of futures and some action going on. So, first, let's check out what's going on here in the Bitcoin world. And yes, we are getting a little dump here. We were at just 30 minutes ago. We were at 1090. We're at 10900. Now we're at 10530. So a 3.23%, 3.26 dump. And obviously we're seeing some major bearish action. Let's see where this might go long term. If there's resistance at 500, which it looks like there is, which is the magnet level we were talking about before, which often later becomes a resistant level like we talked about last time. So this stuff is happening right in front of our eyes, folks. So let's check on it. So this you can't really tell much, but let's go on a 7 day, or let's go 30-day here. There we go, perfect. So we're right here, and this is the magnet level that we have created over the past 30 days. It's right in the middle. Like you said, like we saw before, it went down to 250 and went up to 750. It even hit 800s, but around that magnet level, and it is showing support right now at that 500 level. If we look at an hour, it hit pretty much just that 500 and bounced up. So that's going to be the key level to watch if it breaks through. So let's look actually at the stock market here, okay, folks. So the stock market is actually up today, which is interesting. So this has nothing to do with the stock market crashing or anything, which is what some of those channels like to blame some of these dumps on, is the stock market. But the stock market's up today. All indices are up, and here, we got some bearish action. Someone's selling. Let's see how it's affecting the altcoin markets here. So let's go to coin market cap, and oh, we could see it live here as we are filming. It's quite volatile, so we could see some action in these few minutes we are filming here. Wow, and that's, guys, look at this. Sorry, an issue has occurred. That's when you know a dump is happening, okay? CoinMarketCap is down. Okay, it is down. Let's go to CoinGecko. This is crazy, guys. And that's what happens. People are checking. People going, the CoinGecko is up. Let's see. So, of course, the last hour is what we're looking at right now. Bitcoin down 3, Ethereum down 3.5, which is not too bad. Actually, the altcoins are, relatively doing well. Usually they're double at 2x volatility. You'd be expecting over 7% losses, but there's nothing. Everything's under 7% the altcoins, so they're not doing too bad. Relatively, 1.8%. So altcoins are sticking in there surprisingly, especially the week. They're having large gains, every single one. And even when Bitcoin's going down, dumping, they are staying up, and we are getting a significant bounce here. We're up 65 since that hit the 495 levels here, and this is going to be a place to keep an eye out for where we go. Let's go back to the 30-day, and see, it's really not a big. I mean, we're still in this range we've been in for the last month. Right in the middle of it, actually. The 1050 number is right in the middle of where we've been, and we're kind of sticking in this range bound area. And of course, this level right here, the low 10,000, of course, the 10,000 mark, which we hit right around here. This is a very strong resistance. So if we break through that, we're in trouble. But right now, we are still good 5.5% above those levels, so we should be fine right now. So let's go back here. Chainlink, as we've been talking about, that's been in focus. Obviously, it went up above 10, but 10 is really the level that it's kind of upper bound resistance for Chainlink. If you look, it got up slightly above 10, but overall, 10 has been a tough level for it to consistently stay above, and we don't expect it to get much above 10. Okay, so 10 is really The highest levels we're going to see 10 to 11 area. We don't see it. If it hits over 11, it will break the bearish long-term bearish run. But right now it's still in the bearish run long term. If you check out the longer 90-day from where it was at 20, it's over down 50%. Okay, well, let's check one more time how stocks are doing. Stocks are going up. Stocks are going up. They've been on a tear. Again, crypto the last week, we still have gains, folks. Although in the past 30 days we're down, all right. But in the past week we were down here, and now we're slightly up still. Yeah, on Bitcoin we were down in the 300s over here. So let's keep an eye on this bearish action that we're seeing today, and let's watch if it can get below the 500 levels. That is the magnet and resistance. If it gets under 500 levels significantly, like 450, really under 450, I'd say to low 400s, we could see the 10 to 500 level becoming a upper bound resistance, similar to how the chain link has right now is a 10 is an upper bound resistance. We could see 10 to 500 it being a hard ceiling to overcome if it gets down to the low 400s. So let's check that. It's a fun day to watch the markets, and guys, please stay safe out there, invest well, and keep some cash for any more larger dumps that may be coming in the future, as we are in the beginning of the month and the volatility is strong. See you guys until next time.